It's all true, of course. Actually, it's all true. It's a great product. It's a great story. I have to say, for us, it's made a huge difference. Anyway, let me say that officially. We produce bespoke software for the NHS in the United Kingdom. We have a series of tools that we use that extract data from doctors' clinical systems, anonymise it, and then pass the data into our warehouse for reporting purposes. We were looking for some way of being able to report centrally from our web-based warehouse. The challenge for us was, how are we going to be able to collect this data, which there's an awful lot of, and be able to distribute the reports out to people in an easy, straightforward manner. I think the real key thing for us was the speed with which you could get yourself workable pages that were connecting up, in our case, to MySQL servers, and provide really very effective reports in a very short space of time. We now provide applications inside the NHS for our customers, which I'm pretty convinced that there'd be no way that we could have done that with the size of organisation we are for the costs that we've incurred in doing it. So from that point of view, it's been an excellent investment. One of the things our company is involved in is supporting a randomised trial in the UK, and that randomised clinical trial needs a centralised database, and we've used Logi to provide the application that handles that centralised database and provides all the people involved in the trial with the mechanisms for recording, storing and interrogating the data associated with that trial. One of the requirements placed on us is to be able to strongly encrypt certain data under certain circumstances, and we've been able to do this using a plugin with Logi. We realised that by using an analysis grid we could actually put a good chunk of the data out there for the people to use and give them the facilities whereby they could move this data around and organise it on the screens to suit themselves. This has been a real time saver, because instead of having to produce, I don't know, 10, 15, 20 reports, one analysis grid, well formed, has allowed all of these people to get the best out of the data.